Myself avoided copywriting for like 2 years, and it was one of my biggest mistakes, I would say. I felt like it's a very creative thing, only painters, something like very creative people. It's their job, not mine. We have to think out of blue ideas, the stars and sun and the glimpse of words like that. But actually, it's nothing like that. It's pure logical. Ideal customers are like you and me. We don't talk stars and moons in our conversation. That's exactly what lines we're going to use in copywriting. It's just like I'm addressing you, you're addressing me. That's it. It's pure logical. And topic of discussion should be the product, or like what we're going to talk about, the subject, not stars or not a blue paint and this river flowing through the mountains. Nothing like that. It's pure logical. Like you have to address the problem of your ideal customer, or if you're working for a client whom he's targeting, ideal customer, what problems are they facing, what are their likes, dislikes, and show the product as the key to solve that problem. That's it. This is the first point. It's not creative, it's pure logical. Now, second point which I want to discuss is it's more of presenting the product as a solution to the problem. Now, definitely sometimes you have to tell the features of the product. Sometimes you can make a story of the product, how, like, take up example of some ideal customer, what problem he's facing and how the product solved it. It's a story. You can relate that story to some real life event. Definitely there are. The problems are very basic problems in this world, and that's exactly how the big companies solving. Coca-Cola is spreading fun in the free time, watching a movie or some sports event, have Coke with some Lays or something. It's filling a gap of munching. So they're selling some experience. Same is the Red Bull, they give wings. They're selling an experience, presenting themselves as a solution to some pre-occurring problem. So that's exactly you want to present your product in some that way. And third thing is how you can learn copywriting. There are two ways. Actually, you have to do both. First is practice. But how to practice? I don't know anything about copywriting. Like, you don't know anything. Learn it. Learn it from the book Breakthrough Advertisement. It's a very good book, and everything is given so precisely, so presentingly. It's my favorite book. I usually again and again visit this book, and once you're done with that book, then focus on Ogilvy's books, Advertising on Ogilvy. It's a little expensive books. Definitely you have to arrange that thing. Learn from that book. You can approach some mindset of those people. I would recommend book actually. Anything above YouTube or something. And follow people who are good in copywriting. Where you can follow is over LinkedIn. Listen from the man or the woman who is like using copywriting to present his brand and have created good amount of money, at least your desired state. I would recommend LinkedIn, the people who have good followers, and see his last traction for like 1 year, 2 years. Go through his post, see which have best engagements. They're usually stories. Try to rewrite that story. Don't post it if you don't like. It doesn't matter. Rewrite every day their stories. Rewrite Ogilvy's ads. There is website swipe. Go to it and rewrite Ogilvy's ads. They're available. Practice. And second is the book. You have to do it daily. When you're learning copywriting then very parallel one new niche is there, direct response copywriting. It's like you text someone over LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram and they reply and you book an appointment. It's very good for lead generation, and it's like copywriting with a instant response. So it's very helpful there also, and it is one of the best skill to have, direct response. You have to start with copywriting, then go to direct response. And if you know how to do it, you're gonna rule the world. Now, how you can develop this skill and monetize it? Now, learn this skill for next 3-4 months. Don't try to monetize this. No, you don't have the skill right now. It's something you need to practice, and it's a skill to possess for life. It has worked for years in the past. Modes changed, but the way was same. We're working right now, and it will work for next as many as years I can think of. Definitely there will always be problem. There will always be people offering solutions. Copywriting is like best skill to have. Now, how to monetize it after 3-4 months? I would say you can start first day if you're not shy, and don't be shy. You're struggling, it's good. You're a hustler, it's very good. Show to yourself that you're hustling. Now, how you can do it? When you're reading from Breakthrough Advertisement, practice and post it over LinkedIn. When you're rewriting the viral post it over LinkedIn. Whenever you write, just post. There is a huge traction over LinkedIn, and try to connect with the people who are copywriters. The feed will go read, comment on their post. They will also give you feedback. Talk to them. Make it second priority talking. Just rewrite in the first 3 months over LinkedIn. Like, there are only two sources of doing business, two platforms, and they are future. One is LinkedIn, second is YouTube. That's why I'm on YouTube. I have been on LinkedIn for last 3 years. good audience, everything, ideal customers, around 12,000 something connections. Very good, like 90% of them are ideal customers. Whole of my business lead gen is from LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is very reliable source. I don't do anything now. So one is LinkedIn. You're posting there, post daily, rewrite daily. Means do it here as much as you can. Make a fun out of it. It's very logical. You will love it. And do it if you are choosing copywriting as a career or data marketing agency as a career. In both scenarios, you need copywriting. Second platform is YouTube. That's why I am on YouTube. I want to share my views, and definitely they're gonna help you if you follow as it is. It's helping like many of my clients, students who are running data marketing agencies now. Put it on YouTube. If you have written a story, just tell your experience, what you did. Just put on the camera and start telling your experience, how you wrote the story. Read it, have fun with it, and how you're learning. You can tell over YouTube how you're learning that. For next 3 to 6 months, post regularly. In the starting, you should post a lot. Whatever you're learning, just share your experience. So that's the reason why copywriting is very important skill. I avoid it. You don't avoid it. Do it, face it, make a fun out of it. It's very good. I love doing copywriting, and it's very helpful skill to have in the future to both copywriting and direct response. Thank you.